Hi everybody, here we are to see something about Scratch and Arduino. And I would like to show you something new, that is the fusion of both technologies. Okay? So as you see, you have been working previously with the Arduino IDE, the interface development environment, and here you got something that I've uploaded there. I would like to tell you that this is exactly the firmware that is available to upload if you want to use an Arduino board card with using Scratch for Arduino. Okay, in this case, what I've done, I've accessed to the website, and I've been looking at the Scratch for Arduino that you can see here. That is, here you got the URL available, and well, you can select in English, in any other, as well as in Spanish. Okay, when you're going down, here you can see a lot of different examples and different elements that you can find there. But I would like to tell you what to do with it, or how to start with it. Here you can see download and setting up. Okay, here you can try to download and install Scratch for Arduino, then install your firmware in your Arduino, and finally work with it. This is the point. The number 2 point is what we are doing now. So you have to try to take all the information that can be downloaded, and then you select the proper operating system. Here you can, once you got it, here you have to set up the firmware in Arduino. So what you have to do is take from here you can see, you can take from here all the different instructions, and as you see, when you click here, it appears something like that. Okay, that is all the firmware. What you're doing is open the Arduino IDE, and what you can do right is just copying and pasting here, as you can see. Okay, and once you got it, you can make the file, save as, and give a name. Okay, here I have given the name firmware S4A. Okay, this is the firmware. What I do now, as you can see, I've connected throughout with this wire. I've connected directly to Arduino, an Arduino card. Okay, and I have clicked on verify. Okay, here you can see and verify, and when it's verified, you receive something like that, global variables used are blah blah blah. Okay, and finally, what you do is upload in there. Okay, once you upload that, this is the way to control Arduino using Scratch for Arduino. Okay, what do you do now? Okay, this has to be active at any moment. Okay, so you can minimize that and wait for the other elements. Okay, here you can see when I'm using that, now I open Scratch for Arduino that has this. As you can see, you got only, well, you can have more than this, but what you need now is to have an Arduino as a first element. Okay, okay. Here you can see that's a novelty here, that's something new, that you can see that in Arduino, in the port COM6 that is directly connected to them, I don't know if in your case could be the same, but check it out, okay? And then here you can see that all the different inputs that you got in analog inputs, here you can see that it's always changing, because it's detecting now something that it can be something like a noise or something like that. Okay, anyway, now you can do the same thing that you do with the Scratch. You can do it now with Scratch for Arduino. As you can see here, you have exactly the same environment. Okay, exactly the same elements, motion, look, sound, etc., etc., okay? And here you can click on them and change that and move that, okay? And as you see here, I don't know if you're able to see that, okay? I don't know if it's well focused. Okay, here you go. Here you can have a snapshot from here, but because this is something that I've been developing, taking the Scratch instructions. And as you can see, when we click on the flag, okay, we make a forever loop, and then we set a value to a value of sensor analog 5. So it's taking the analog value and it's put into the value variable. Okay. Then what I'm doing is a kind of if-then. Okay, we can say that is a decision tree. Okay, so I put several steps: 700, 550 to 700, and finally less than 550. And this is, you know, the amount that we can find, the amount of signal that we can find here in analog 5. Okay, from 124 to 0. Okay. Good. So what we're doing now, as you see, is connecting that. We give on the flag. We push on the flag. Okay. We click on here. Clack. Okay. And once we got that, it starts working. And as you can see here, what I've connected here is a very normal, very simple element. Okay. And here you can see that what I've been doing is connecting LDR sensor and 3 LED diodes. The first, as you have been looking at in the program, the first one could be the red one. Then you got when the light is on, or the light is getting on, okay, it turns to the yellow LED, and finally with the highest light level, the rest, this red and this yellow, will be off, and the green LED will be on. Okay, so, well, as you can see, perhaps if we take that and move it to something a bit more, okay, a bit more light, I don't know what to use now, but in any case, if you're using a lighter or you're using something that could give some level of light, this will turn. Okay, this works because I've been checking it, and well, it's nothing else than this. Okay, so now you can display as many times as you want this video clip in order to repeat that experience. Okay. And no more than this. Okay, see you.